I had a company from out of town visiting, and my air conditioner went out, and it was over 100 degrees outside. I called a local company, and after looking at my air conditioner, they said that I would need a brand new one and it would cost me over $2,000 and also take a week to schedule. A friend of mine suggested that I called Steve's Ultimate Air. Steve came right over, and after looking at my air conditioner, he just said I needed a new part, which he actually had with him. And an hour later, the AC was working and we were all comfortable, and it only cost me $300. So, Steve was amazing. And if you're looking for an honest, reliable company that cares about helping people and does a great job, call Steve's Ultimate Air. I'm really glad that I did.